Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. And you guys can probably tell GME had a bit of an update today, but again, nothing crazy, right? And like I said last time, we were waiting for some big news to happen in the stock market, and we got exactly what I expected. Well, what I hoped for and expected. The IWM, the small cap sector, has finally broken out after all this consolidation, all these 1-2 setups. It exploded higher, playing out beautifully. The last dip did not, occur, and I was hoping that we could get it for one last, dip opportunity for people who aren't in it. Because some people are trying to top take or bottom take this thing, and I was just in on the average right around 199. 0.5 or something, and I wasn't trying to be cute with it, and beautiful explosive move higher. Now, what does this mean for GameStop, right? What is a small cap sector? What does that have to do with anything? Well, GameStop is very I mean, I guess it's still interest rate sensitive, but I believe when the small caps melt up, we're gonna see GameStop and AMC, not just GameStop, but we're also gonna see AMC get a very large move towards the upside as well. I believe today too, we broke this down sloping trend line, if I'm not mistaken. Are pretty close to it, right? So we're getting pretty close to breaking out this down sloping trend line. Maybe if we can get, oh, I'm on the 4 hour. Let me get on the daily. Did the daily break out? Nope. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to breaking this down sloping trend line. We already crossed on the RSI moving average here. And some more good news. It's not always, going to be good news. We're going to have down days too on GME, but I think I have a lot of good news to spread here for GameStop. Not just, trying to pump it up for no reason, but that I'm already in this as well. So I've skin in the game, and I believe that we're seeing a beautiful increase in green money flow here on the daily time frame. It continues to grow higher. VWAP is going up, and then the dual band strength index continued to grow stronger and stronger, and it just keeps going higher, right? So things are looking good for GameStop here. I think we're set up for a nice pop extension higher. Maybe after this move is done, we'll fizzle out. We'll get a deep pullback in a wave two, maybe retest that trend line, and that's when we'll shake out more weak hands, or as they say, paper hands, and then we'll take off in an explosive move higher once again. So that's what I'm expecting now. Everything is set up to do this. It looks good. It looks like there's nothing to complain about in my opinion. I think this drop that we got, that FUD that Roaring Kitty, my God, my brain was selling out, and I think that was just another dip buy opportunity. And looks good. I mean, everything looks good. The IWM has more room to run. It's my long-term targets are way up here. So ultimately, you guys should know that if the small caps are gonna do this and continue to move higher, and the yields go down, and the dollar's going down, and all things are pointing to lower interest rates, that means GameStop and the small caps are gonna perform very well. So hopefully we get this pump up soon. Again, patience, right? Look how long we were consolidating here in the IWM for weeks on end, up and down and up and down and up and down. And finally, wham! And then we're going to continue to most likely squeeze these shorts and blow them up, and it's going to be good. It's going to be good. I think there's more upside coming. I think they're politically out of time to raise rates. I was hearing some other YouTubers, oh, yields are going up. Get ready for an explosive move higher in yields. No, it's just another 1-2 setup, and it's getting set to melt down at any moment. 10 years collapsing down, making new lows as well. So it just goes to show you that this market has still more room to run towards the upside. GameStop alongside of it, hopefully. Have a wonderful evening, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next update. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe we'll get some news on GME finally. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.